Hello guys, my name is Fazal and you are watching Mega Talk. Guys, in this video I am going to unbox this Dreo Air Purifier. Will give you the complete detailed analysis of this product, will mention the pros and cons, and the most important thing, should you buy this one or not. All these things will be discussed in this video. So let's get started. Before going ahead to the unboxing, to all my normal audience wondering why I am not making this video in Hindi and speaking in English, I have mentioned the complete reason in the pinned comment, so you can check that out. So guys, this is the box that you will get if you order this product. It is the front of the box, and the top here it is written the brand name, the Dreo, the product name, True Hepa Air Purifier, and also mentioned 4 features here like 360 degree filtration, 20 dB quiet performance, 4.8 ACPJ H in 273 square feet that I will tell you in the video, autosense technology. And if you turn the box, so I have turned the box in the right direction, and here at the top there are 5 symbols, and here are the specifications that are listed. Input, this is the normal information that you will ever get, and rated power is 36 watt. I am literally impressed by this because 36 watt nowadays even phone chargers take 120 watt, so it's very nice. Effective power range 25.4 meters square, and CADR 176 CFM, and sound level from 20 to 54 dB, which is nice. Dimensions, and here is the weight, which is 3.3 kg. So I have turned this box in the right direction, that means 180 degree, and here at the top the same thing, Dreo, and the product name, and the extra thing which is written is all weather health guard, and here the picture of this product is depicted, which definitely looks good. We will see this in the unboxing. And after literally one more turn, here the website link has been given, www.dreo.com, so you can buy it from here also. Now let's do the. So this is the top of the box. I have already unboxed it, so you might get a second view of it. So now let's open it. Okay, so I have literally opened it. So here I think the QR code of the app has been given. Scan or visit dreo.com warranty to extend your warranty by registering your product. If you have any product issues, we always stand ready to help. This is good. And here the contact information of this brand has been given, which is nice, and I personally like the brand. So now let's get into the product. So here the starting guide, quick start guide has been given from Dreo, and so definitely you can check this out. And here are the air quality indicators that has been given. Blue means good, green also means a little good, and orange means bad, and red means hazardous. So we will see this. And here are something like envelope has been given. So you can see here, Dreo, breathe air healthy in all seasons. So now let's unbox it. We have seen, and here is the thank you for choosing Dreo. Let's see what else you get out of the purchase. So, and here 5 years warranty. I'm literally impressed with 5 years warranty, because normally in air purifiers you get 1 year warranty or maximum 2. So 5 years it will be a better option. So, and here the QR code has been given. If you will scan it, you will definitely go into that link that has been mentioned above. And do not return to the store. We have the power to bring a smile to your face. Get our excellent support. And here again the contact information is given. So I have already taken it, and something more has been given in this envelope, and you can see from back it is plain. I am unboxing it, you can say unwrapping. So here the user manual has been given. You can see Dreo. So here is the user manual. You can read it before using this product, or you can watch my full video to get a better idea. And one thing that I forgot to mention is like the paper that we have discussed earlier, and if you turn it, here you will get the mode of the buttons, like the function of the every button, and we will also discuss it, so it has no use. We will talk in. So here the extra layer of protection is given so that the product does not get damaged before reaching to you. And here we are removing it, and okay, so here is our purifier. Let me take it out. With it has been wrapped in a polythene. Okay, we will get to in this air purifier within a minute. Now let's see what else so here is the power adapter you get for the air purifier. And now let's see what are the power ratings here depicted. I am focusing my camera. So here is class 2 power supply, and now let's zoom to it, and here it has been written 24 volt and 1.5 ampere. So that's the right information that has been given on the box. That is 36 watt. So now let's get onto the air purifier fast. Now before moving ahead to the product, let's talk about the most important thing, that is who needs an air purifier. This can be checked by using AQI. Not to the people who don't know what is AQI. AQI is air quality index, which tells you whether the air around you is breathable or not. So according to WHO, if your AQI of your surrounding is between 1 to 50, it is healthy and good. AQI between 51 to 100 is considered moderate. That is, if you want, you can consider an air purifier. But now above 100, things came to change. AQI between 101 to 200 is considered unhealthy. AQI between 201 to 300 is considered hazardous. AQI between 301 to 400 is considered toxic. And sometimes here in India, around Delhi and NCR area, AQI even crosses 500 sometimes. So it's definitely too much toxic. So if the AQI of your city is 100, you should definitely consider an air purifier. And if the AQI of your city is above 200, you should definitely buy one air purifier for your family. And another thing arises, how will you check the AQI of your city? It's not a problem. You just have to Google your city name and write AQI in front of it. You will get a bunch of websites and you can access that. So that's not a problem. Now let's move on to the product. So now let's talk about the air purifier. I just want to say one thing, like that Dreo designing team has done a fantastic job. It definitely looks nice and looks good in the room. So here at the bottom the brand name Dreo has been written. It has 360 degree air inlet, and at the top here it is the outlet. Here 4 buttons at the left side and 4 buttons at the right side has been given. It is touch sensors, and at the bottom, no sorry, at the back here it is the AQI sensor that will detect the AQI of your room. So it is like that. You can open it like this, and here it is. I can show you with the light. Here it is the sensor, and here it is like something like cushion. So before turning the air purifier on, don't forget to remove the plastic peel from the HEPA filter, which is located at the bottom. So you just have to upside down the air purifier, and here it is located. I have to rotate it here, and it has been rotated, and here is the main part of the air purifier. You can say the heart of the air purifier. It is the true HEPA filter. It is like the main component of the air purifier. If you already have an air purifier and does not have to have a filter, believe me, it is just a piece of crap that is occupying space in your room. Some brands also come with air purifier like semi HEPA filter or like half true HEPA filter. These all filters are useless, because the main thing for the air purifier is true HEPA filter, and Dreo provides that. That is definitely good. I just have to close it like this. So now let's turn on the main supply, which is here. I am opening the button. So when you will open, a beep sound will be produced from the air purifier. So here is the power on button. Now let's click on it. So it has been on, and here is the fan speed option also. So on the front here is the light that will tell you the air quality of your room. It will take approximately 20 to 25 seconds to check the AQI of your room. So now let's for that. And the second button is of the fan speed. If you will tap on it, the fan speed will gradually increase, and if you will tap on it once more, the speed will be the highest. And there is also turbo mode that I will tell you in a minute. So the speed will increase. So now let's lower it, so that you can hear my sound clearly. And if you will increase the fan speed, definitely the power consumption will also be increased, and not only that, the more fast it will purify and clear your room. So you can adjust for that. And here the third mode is auto mode. Now before we go on to that, let's see the light. So it has detected red. That means that AQI of my room is not good, and it is, you can say, unhealthy and not good. So now let's move on to the third option, which is auto mode. Now let me focus the camera. Okay, tripod has been adjusted. So here is the third mode, is the auto mode. If I will click on it, definitely the second option will be automatically off, and the air purifier will automatically adjust the speed of the fan according to the AQI of your room. So that's the favorite mode of mine in the air purifier, because when the light will be red, the fan speed will increase. When your air will be purified and the light will be green or blue, it will definitely automatically lower the speed, and it will also reduce the power consumption of yours, and you don't have to worry about the speed, and the sound will also be reduced if the AQI of your room will be reduced. So now let's move on to the fourth option. So the fourth button here is of the sleeping mode, or you can say bedtime mode. If you will click on this, the speed of the fan will be reduced, the sound of the fan will be reduced, and so you can sleep, you can say, without any distraction. It will not create any distraction in your sleep, and the light of here will be also be off. So let me show you. I am turning this on. It might take 5 to 10 seconds to close the light. So it is adjusting. You can say, you might can notice the speed of the fan has been reduced a lot. And I will show you the light of the front. It has been turned off, so it does not cause any distraction to you in your sleep. So it's nice. So here is the turbo mode. If you will turn this on, the speed of the fan will be maximum and it will try its best to clear the room and purify the room for the best. It will take the least time. Definitely the power consumption will increase, but it's my favorite mode because when you will feeling like exhausting and feeling like bad in here, so you can click on this like I am clicking on this like this. So you can notice, okay, literally I can feel literally air like here till here I can literally feel the air. So you can see the sound has been increased a lot because the speed of the fan has increased a lot. Let me turn this off. You can turn this off from here this side. Okay, so it's like that. And now the 6 mode, I also love the 6 mode because it's very useful in night and sometimes in day also, because it you can set the timer how much time the air purifier will be turned on. So I like I have clicked on this for 2 hours. It has been set. It means after 2 hours the air purifier will close it automatically after 2 hours. Okay, and if you will click on it once more, it will select to automatically 4 hour, and if you will click on it once more, it will automatically select it on 8 hours, and if you will click on it even once more, it will definitely turn on the turn off the mode. Now let's talk about the 7th mode. I loved the 7th mode because it's useful quite a few times. If you will turn this mode, like you have to hold your finger 3 seconds on this and it has been turned on. So what this mode do, it is like child protection mode, you can say kid safety mode, because if you have kids in your room, it may click on some buttons like this, but if you will on this mode, definitely no button will work until you have to turn this mode on. Definitely you can see I am clicking on this and this. No button will work unless I will turn off this mode. To turn off this mode, you have to click and hold this button for 3 seconds. So you might be thinking, what is the function of this last mode? As I have told you, it has true Hepa air filter in it. The life of Hepa filter is approximately 6 to 8 months. It has to be replaced after 6 to 8 months of usage. So it will tell you whether you need to replace your filter or not. If you need to replace a filter, it will definitely depict the white light from here. So I have told you the function of all those. Now let's use it for 10-15 minutes to check how it purifies the room. So the time right now is 3:22 and the AQA of my city is currently 258, which is definitely hazardous. So let me open this, and I will open this in the, you can say, the third fan mode. Okay, and we'll leave it for approximately 12 minutes because my room size is approximately 220 square feet, and according to the screenshot that I have been given, it will take approximately 10.8 minutes to cover the to purify the whole room. So now let's wait till 3:35 and I will be back to you in 12 minutes. So now let's wait. So as you can see, my doors and windows are also closed, so no outside air is coming inside, and I have literally opened it for approximately 3 minutes. So now let's wait approximately 9 minutes more. So guys, 12 minutes has been passed. The time is currently now 3:35, and now let's check the light of this. So now the air purifier is showing light which is blue, and blue means the air around you is now healthy and good to breathe, as you can see here. And after 10 minutes of usage, you can definitely notice the change around your surroundings. And the thing you have to keep in mind, like when you're using the air purifier, you have to close the doors and the windows also. So the big question in your mind is right now will be, okay, the air purifier is doing its work, it is purifying the air, but the question mind your will be like, is the air quality sensor, which is the detecting the air quality of your room and depicting it through the light, is working properly or not? So now let me show you to you. So I am turning this air purifier off. Here is the button and I am pressing it. So it has been turned off. Now let me open the windows and the door. So I have turned the air purifier off, opened the door and the windows, and letting the outside air come inside. And not only that, I am also producing smoke through these sticks and making air polluted. And to check whether the air purifier can detect the air polluted air or not, whether it will change the color of light from blue to orange or red to not. Now let's wait for 10 minutes. So let me check the time. The time right now is 4:12. So now let's wait for approximately 8 minutes to check the light of the air purifier again. Currently the air purifier is off. So please note, if the AQI light will be red or orange, it means the AQI sensor is working right. If the AQI light will be blue or green after 8 minutes, it means it is giving you the false information. So let's wait for 8 minutes. Right now the time is approximately 4:14. We will check back in approximately 6 or 7 minutes. So let's wait for 4:21. So the time right now is 4:21. Let me focus the camera once again. So the time right now is currently 4:21, means approximately 10 minutes have been passed. The windows and doors are even currently open. So now let's turn on the air purifier. Okay, here is the button. Let me turn it on, and now let's check. uh, Please note, once again, we only want to check whether the AQI sensor is working or not. Okay, so let me check. If it will show red or orange light, it means the AQI sensor is working, because the outside air is coming from the windows and the doors. So let's wait. Okay, so it has been paused and it is currently showing a red light. It means the AQI sensor is working fine, which is at the behind. Okay, let me turn it down. Okay, so here is the AQI sensor and it is showing the red light. It means it has detected the air is currently here is polluted. It has given you a better idea of the AQI sensor and is working fine, and I am pretty impressed by this. So now let's move on to the pros and cons of this product. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. The first pro of this product is definitely its price. The price of this product is only $149, which is too less if you consider the competition of the air purifiers and the pricing of those. I will also compare the pricing of other air purifiers at this price and their features at the conclusion, but the price of this product is definitely nice. That you has done a fantastic job by keeping the price as low as they can. $149 is a very reasonable amount to be spent on an air purifier. The second pro of this product is definitely true HEPA air filter. I have already told you the pros of that, because if the air purifier does not have true HEPA air filter, it is a useless machine. It is occupying space in your room. True HEPA filter is like a heart of the air purifier, so it's definitely a pro of this product also. The third pro of this product is definitely it removes 99.97% of the airborne particles above size 0.3 micron. I will give you a screenshot of the things above 0.3 micron for reference, so definitely you can check that out. The fourth pro of this product is definitely the power consumption. It will only cost you 30 cents a week, and it is verified by the Energy Star. So I have referred the screenshot for that, and definitely it's definitely very nice, because the other purifier even cost 100 watt and 150 watt for that. So definitely Dreo has done fantastic job. Now let's move on to the cons of this product. Not talking about the cons, literally there are no cons, because the price of this product is only $119. There are literally no cons. One con you might be thinking is of, like, it doesn't have digital display to display the AQI. So definitely it's not a problem for everyone, because the digital displays definitely come with even a $200 or $250 air purifier, and I don't think no one is going to pay $120 or $130 more for digital display. And I think this light even looks better on this air purifier. So there are literally no cons. Now moving on to the conclusion, should you buy this one or not, or are there even better options than this available in the market? So I am not currently here in US, I am here in India, so I have done the wisest thing that anyone will do. I have just searched the Google top 5 air purifiers in USA, and I've got a bunch of results, even top 10, even top 20, even top 5. So after comparing all those, I found that Dreo has literally killed its competition. For $150, it is offering you the best features it can. I have once checked a Philips air purifier, which almost got $20, and is also offering the same features that Dreo is offering for even for only $150. So big brands are even charging $100, $120 more for the same product. So I think the price of this product is really very competitive and justified. So I think from my side, definitely you can go with this air purifier. I have literally loved this air purifier, because the thing is, like, the power consumption of this product very low. Everything is definitely fantastic, and for me it is doing the great job at the great price. $20 is very nice price to be spent on an amplifier, as I have told earlier. So from my side, it's 5 star from the 5 out of 5. You can definitely buy it. So that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button too, and I am wishing a very healthy life. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.